Hey everybody, thank you again for visiting my page. So in this video, I was scrolling through YouTube and I saw this video, it's an old video from 2015, about a couple who in 1998 invested $17,000 into Apple. And as of the time of the video, they became millionaires. So back in 1998, Apple was selling for peanuts. It wasn't worth that much. But I wanted to basically share that video because it shows that the reward you can get if you find a good company and you hold it for a very long time. There's not a lot of companies like that. Apple is definitely one of them. Amazon and Google are definitely the others that will reward you over time, especially since they have split over time. So let's take a look at the video.
They say buy low, but if you were buying Apple stock in 1998, you were buying really low, under $1 a share in today's terms. When you first invested in Apple, how much money was your initial investment?
We started on the 1998, 70,000 for the 600. That's how we started. We didn't spend much on it. That was cheap.
This is before the iPhone, even before the iPod. That was actually a low point for the Apple companies. What made you so excited about Apple?
I think it's 1998 or 1999. I went to the Mac World Conference and I saw Steve Jobs talking, and that, the whole thing triggered it. It's not just about the product, and they kind of start to be interested in their business.
Neen Wang and his wife Ting Chen didn't stop buying Apple stock in 1998. They say they've invested tens of thousands in the company over the years, an investment in a stock that's up over 13,000% since they first bought. Just recently, you finally hit $1 million in your total investment. What was that moment like?
She's more excited about, we are participating, not the money.
Yeah, not the money part.
Neen and Ting have sold some of their stock to buy things like a vacation home, but they say they've always held on to most of it. When you guys have sold stock, was it because you didn't have confidence in the products or the business?
Never. Always discipline. Discipline. The market goes up and down. You cannot catch it.
Now Apple Watch has come out. A lot of analysts have said they don't think Apple Watch sales have been nearly as high as expected. So is this a time for you to stop and assess and decide whether you want to cash in on some of the stock? What are you guys going to do?
So, any new first generation comes out, maybe there's a waiting time. Yes, of course.
So what does the couple think about the stock today?
I think it's time to buy.
Time to buy.
Yes.
More? More?
That's news to him.